What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing unboxing and install and my first thoughts on the J&L OSC oil separator for 2017 to 2023 6.2 liter F-250s. So for this you're going to need a 10 mil deep sock would be preferable, and a Phillips head. Let's see. Scan that for instructions. The part number is going to be J&L OSC 3.0 3042P. Comes with these little stickers so that you can know when to check your catch and empty it out. Cool sticker. These add horsepower. Oh, here we go. That's pretty nice. I wonder about the length of these tubes. I would have liked them a little bit shorter. I know when I did one in my 7.3, it was causing my, I did the CCV mod into an oil catch can, and it caused a lot of back pressure and had oil shooting out of my dipstick. Let's take this off. I got the satin finish. It's pretty nice. It's really well made. Got these little diamond grips like you find on a barbell. Nice. It's a little bit shallow. I'm probably going to order the extender as well. They said you shouldn't be catching that much, but I don't know, it just feels kind of small. And I couldn't find any pictures of what the inside of one of these would look like. So there it is. Oil kind of condensates on that, drips into here, and then goes back out this way into your intake manifold. I would have really liked to see some pictures of this before I bought it, but I couldn't find anything anywhere. Let's put this back on. Comes with the mount that you need. It's going to go somewhere by the firewall, and your little screws. This is a fuel line hose, so it won't corrode. Clips look really good too. Push this bottom tab. It opens up those teeth. Yeah, real well made. Here's my AFE Power HD Momentum intake. I had a install video of one of these as well. You guys want to check it out on my page. The first thing we're going to do is going to come up here. And we're going to take this off. There's a little tab right there. Push down on the tab. Follow it to the other side. Down here, lift up on the tab, take that out. It's gonna have these little plastic clips on it. And there's that. I always hold on to my takeoffs just in case something doesn't work out. Oh yeah, you can see in there's already quite a bit of oil that's otherwise going into your intake manifold. Oh yeah. Let's get down, take a better look at this. Yeah, so just sticking my finger down here, I can just feel a bunch of oil. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and put the mount on the catch can. It's going to go like this. The hoses going towards the engine and the mount parallel to the firewall. Go get your Phillips head and tighten those on. Now I forgot to mention, but some pliers would be good for this next part. So I already did this, but I'll put it back on. This little clip that goes on your firewall can be kind of a pain to get off. Just grab it and kind of work it back and forth until it comes off. Alright, so now that you have that off, you're gonna grab this little clip and make it point down. You're gonna have your oil catch can underneath these hoses, underneath all this stuff right here. Go ahead and slide it up there around the screw. Get your clip again and slide it back over. Alright, grab your little 10mm nut. I put it on, start tightening it down. Alright, we changed positions. So you're gonna find your longer hose, the one that's against the firewall. Here it is. Tuck it behind everything. Make sure there's no kinks. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna take this out. Not take it out, but I'm just gonna redirect it to go over these tubes right here. This will be a lot easier with two hands. Alright, there we go. Drop my phone through the engine bay. Alright, try this again. What was I doing? Oh yeah. There, now we got a straighter line. Put it behind the throttle body. Snake it down through here. And hook it onto that blue PCV valve. And you'll hear a click. Doesn't take much. You kind of see how I got it. All right, then you're gonna get your short hose. work it back here as well. And plug that one into the throttle body. Right there. Almost got it. Guess it would help if I pushed it. There we go. This one doesn't really want to stay behind the throttle body. That's all right, we'll just put it over the top of the cold air intake. And that's that. I want to double check everything. All right, so that's the J and L air oil separator. One thing that I did notice is that this tube to the throttle body would fit perfectly underneath the intake around to be clipped in there. If any of you guys want to try that, let me know. This is how J&L said to do it, so that's how I'm going to do it, but I don't see how it could really hurt anything. But yeah, if you guys could like, subscribe, and comment anything else that you want me to do, let me know and I'll try to do it.